Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on OPPO Find X3 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the mobile network on top. Here we have data usage and data usage limit. Now you can configure your data usage with a monthly limit or a daily limit. You can also activate both of them. And first, also, let's change the start calculating data usage from a certain day of the month. In this case, I'm going to go for the first day. And when we activate the daily data usage, we can put our number of a limit right here. Change it between megabytes and gigabytes. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. When you're ready with that, then there's when data limit is reached, we can receive alert only or set the alert and also turn off mobile data. Now, next is monthly data usage. You can do the same thing, only exception is data warning. And when you activate it, you can put the limit when you reach, for example, 2 gigabytes in 5 gigabytes that I've set the limit for, will receive a data warning limit. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.